Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the battery of your Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small pry tool. These tools will help you navigate through the battery replacement process smoothly. Start by ensuring your vacuum is turned off and disconnected from any power source. To access the battery compartment, locate the two screws at the base of the vacuum handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Set them aside in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle away from the body of the vacuum. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it loose if it feels stuck. Be cautious not to damage any components during this step. Next, you'll see the battery compartment. There are typically two screws securing the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. Remember to handle these screws with care as well. Now, carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. If you're having trouble, a small pry tool can help you loosen it without causing any damage. Once the old battery is out, it's a good idea to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft cloth or a brush to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure that the new battery fits snugly and functions properly. Now, take your compatible replacement battery and insert it into the compartment. Make sure it aligns properly with the connectors. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Reattach the screws that you removed earlier to secure the new battery in place. Again, be careful not to over-tighten them as this can damage the plastic casing. Now, reattach the handle of the vacuum by aligning it correctly and pushing it back into place. Replace the screws at the base of the handle to secure it. If you find this process challenging or prefer to have a professional handle it, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Before testing your vacuum, take a moment to clean any leftover debris around the area. This helps prolong the life of your vacuum. Once everything is secured, plug in your vacuum and turn it on. You should notice the improved performance right away. If you don't have the tools, or if you simply want to avoid the hassle, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you won't have to make any calls or travel. We'll provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery of your Dyson V8. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum cleaner and keep it running efficiently. If you have any questions about the process or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.